Welcome to Villa in Focus, an insight into our esteemed institution, Villa Mari. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Guided by the cause of pioneering quality education for young women, the visionary Dr. Philomena established Villa Mari Educational Society in 1991. Since then, she has been passionately involved in empowering the girl child through education. For her, education is not a profession, it is a religion. Education is not a service, it is a passion. Education is not a goal, it is a path to glory. Her dedication and grit has taken women's education at Villa Mari to unprecedented heights of excellence.
Miss Chinnamma is the pillar of strength and the guiding force for the students and staff in all their endeavors. She is the embodiment of perfection and takes proactive role in designing and developing all the activities in an ethical framework. Mrs. Vijaya carefully develops a team spirit among the faculty members and assists in effective functioning of the college. Villa Mari has been the threshold of knowledge since 1991 and carved a niche of repute in a short span of time.
Set in the heart of the city and well connected to all major routes, Villa Mari is a landmark in the Twin Cities. The building, a small structure at inception, has been transformed into a palatial building with a sprawling campus by the untiring efforts of our ingenious principal, Dr. Philomena. Villa Mari Educational Society started Villa Mari Junior College on 15th July 1991 under the exceptional leadership of Dr. Philomena. The three folds of our motto, Villa, Visi, Vista, delineate the foundation of a house of learning with a light of distinct vision of richer vistas for a prospective tomorrow.
Villa Mari is indeed the preferred institution, as our goal is not only to prepare students for careers, but also to enable them to live with dignity and purpose, to give knowledge to the students, and also channel that knowledge to humane ends. At Villa Mari, we care to make a difference. Besides providing education, we also develop students' vision and give wings to their dreams. The beacons of light, the faculty members are highly qualified and professionally committed. They serve the dual purpose of enhancing the personality of the students by inculcating human and ethical values that form their character. On the other hand, they sharpen the intellect of the students.
In the career counseling sessions at Villa Mari, the counselor develops a personal rapport with every student, identifies her abilities and guides her in the relevant stream. Villa Mari initially started as a junior college and gradually expanded to Villa Mari degree and PG colleges. At PG level, we offer MBA course. Villa Mari is a path breaker in the field of education, as it is the first women's college affiliated to Osmania University to launch BBA. At the intermediate level, we offer MPC, BIPC, MEC and CEC with Hindi, French, Sanskrit and Arabic as second language options.
Methodology used in Villa Mari is unique in its own way. We believe in the concept of multisensory learning. We use latest teaching techniques like LCD, PPT, OHP, and 3D models to enhance the learning process. This kind of methodology makes our college a learner's paradise. To give the students a hands-on experience, Villa Mari has set up separate science labs which are technically designed and well equipped. Villa Mari boasts of state-of-art infrastructure with an air-conditioned auditorium, conference hall, and well-ventilated seminar halls which provide the students an inspiring ambience to conduct seminars, workshops, presentations, etc.
Meticulously planned assessment system is the secret of our success. The weekly tests, monthly tests, midterm exams evaluate the students' performance periodically. Parent-teacher meeting is held after the midterm exams and the performance of their wards is discussed at length. Revision tests and pre-final exams are conducted to prepare the students to face the board exams with utmost confidence. Intensive revision schedule eases the burden of exams and students are stress-free and well prepared to excel in the board exams. Effectively planned remedial measures for slow learners include individual attention and constant motivation to upgrade their performance along with parental counseling.
To sustain the scientific temper of students and to kindle the scientific thinking, field trips are conducted to provide direct experience and personal observation. They bridge the gap between theory and practice. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. To enrich the students' knowledge, a number of subject-based activities are designed every year. In the stream of arts, an expedition of an array of facets in subjects like economics, commerce, and political science is represented in the form of innovative working models incorporating authentic application of knowledge and skills. In the stream of science, students learn through intuitive thinking and reflect by proactively involving in presentations, quiz, science-based skits, thereby transforming themselves into the science wizards of Villa Mari. Mathematics is not just multiplication or subtraction, but a poetry of numbers. Conceptualized learning of math facts is incorporated in real-life situations. English language a window to the world. Activities like cosplay, jam, drama, spell bee, debate develop the skill of articulation, enhance aesthetic abilities and self-confidence. Thus, the wealth of talent hidden in the student is unlocked by the education system at Villa Mari Junior College.
Our library, a warehouse of knowledge with selectively collected books, journals, periodicals, reference books, etc. to cater to the varied needs of the students. It also provides access to the computer as a learning resource which is Wi-Fi connected. Education without sports is a one-sided affair. Our sports facilities encourage the students to perform and excel in any discipline of sports. We offer a wide range of sports to choose from. To name a few, we have basketball, volleyball, table tennis, and other indoor games.
Fitness is not a fashion, but a habit. Our fitness center, the gymnasium, with latest fitness infrastructure, is the hub of activities. To cater to the creative urge of the students, Villa Mari offers certificate-based hobby courses. These include fashion designing, interior designing, and photography. Freshers Party breaks the barriers and brings the students together in the spirit of oneness and gives a boost to the morale of the students. Villa Fete is another unique feature of Villa Mari. It is a time for celebration, a respite from the tedious academic schedule, a time to shop, eat, and make merry. A healthy mind in a healthy body is the adage Villa Mari believes in. An annual sports meet is held in the college where students participate in full vigor.
A student at Villa Mari does not just receive education but is exposed to an entire new experience. Villa Festa, our annual festival, is a platform for our students to showcase their talents. Scrupulously designed literary, cultural, and fine arts competitions develop the creativity and ingenuity of the students. The tradition of celebrating Villa Festa started from the inception of the college and has grown larger in volume ever since. The week-long celebration culminates in a grand finale, which is a spectacular stage show. Villa Festa is a fusion of classical and modern culture. Vibrant dances, captivating ballets, and a burst of colors make Villa Festa a cultural extravaganza. Villa Festa, where talent is nurtured and alchemized to perfection.
Christmas pageant ushers in the Christmas spirit, replete with soulful carols. Arrival of Santa Claus brings the message of peace and goodwill and New Year tiding to the world. One of the exclusive features of the college is the Villa Tours. The national and international tours are organized to broaden the horizon of the student. These tours enable the student to feel and enjoy the bounties of nature, expanding from the snow-capped mountains to the sandy beaches. The itinerary, planned in collaboration with a reputed travel agency, ensures a hassle-free journey.
Villa Mari has transcended borders and has gone international to be acquainted with the outside world. Picturesque landscapes, breathtaking locales of enchanting Europe, awesome Australia, amazing America, and fascinating Far East have been explored and enjoyed to the fullest. Villa tours are joy unparalleled, an experience to be cherished forever. They truly are every student's delight.
To cater to the hunger pangs of the students, Villa Mari boasts of a multi-cuisine food court with lip-smacking delicacies. It is indeed a gourmet's delight. Adequate parking space in the cellar of the college for two-wheelers and four-wheelers, and an in-house stationery to cater to the needs of the students are also provided.
Learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and diligence, are the exhorting words from Dr. Philomena, who will always remain the formidable bastion of education for women, and under her aegis, Villa Mari Educational Society will continue to grow on the path of glory.